Welcome to this explainer. Imagine for a second we're sitting down at a big, heavy oak table, and I am unrolling a massive, incredibly detailed blueprint right in front of you. Today, we're talking about architecture, but not of buildings. We're talking about the architecture of your financial life. Specifically, we're diving into the concept of starting from zero. And we're going to approach this with the calm, grounded authority of a master builder. Someone who knows exactly how a structure is meant to stand, no matter the weather.
It's a heavy question, right? If you lost everything today, like right now, this exact second, would you know exactly what to do in the next 24 hours? Look, for most of us, the honest answer is a terrified no. We just face this terrifying blank space right where a solid plan should be. Now let's be real, in 2026, with inflation constantly squeezing every single paycheck and totally unpredictable layoffs hitting industries nobody even expected, needing a financial reset isn't just some hypothetical thought experiment anymore. It's reality. It's a plan you might actually need.
So here is the exact three-phase structural blueprint we're going to build today. We'll start with 1, the reality of zero. 2, phase 1, survival layer. 3, phase 2, income expansion. 4, phase 3, wealth engine. And finally, 5, the blueprint completed.
All right, let's clear the site with part 1, the reality of zero. So starting from zero actually doesn't mean you failed. It just means you've cleared the site. You're finally standing on solid ground instead of, a fragile pile of debt pretending to be stability. But to build properly on this newly cleared site, we really have to understand what's happening inside you. Let's look at the actual biology of a bank account hitting zero. See, your nervous system literally doesn't know the difference between financial danger and physical danger. When your money disappears, your brain triggers the exact same stress response as if you were being chased by a predator in the wild. Cortisol just floods your system, your thinking severely narrows, and suddenly you're making decisions from pure panic instead of long-term strategy. Making bad choices when you're broke is not a personal weakness, it's just a biological, physiological panic response.
And because of that, the crucial point is this. The very first move you make in any real reset is not opening a spreadsheet or frantically tracking pennies, it is calming your nervous system down, period. Before any real building can begin, you absolutely must de-escalate that panic so you can actually think straight again. I mean, you simply cannot lay bricks during an earthquake, right?
Okay, moving to part 2, phase 1, survival layer, or laying the foundation.
I want to slow down here for a second, because this is the phase almost everyone skips, and yet it is the absolute most vital to the entire structure. Before you even think about investing or starting side hustles, we have to lay the very first bricks. And that foundation, it is exactly $1,000. Not $5,000, not $10,000, just $1,000. This is your survival layer. It needs to be built as fast as humanly possible. It's a fast, it's an ugly, it's an unglamorous number. But this specific amount is the absolute key to stopping the panic.
So how do you actually build it? Well, you get incredibly aggressive. You sell what you don't need, you pause every single subscription, you take every spare hour you have over the next few weeks, and you throw it at this single number. Look, this isn't about comfort, it's about profound emotional relief. $1,000 is the physical, load-bearing wall between a bad day and a total financial spiral. It immediately blocks your dependency on the debt cycle the moment your car breaks down, your health falters, or your hours get cut at work. You've got to build that wall first.
Next up is part 3. Phase 2, income expansion, which is building the framing.
Once your nervous system is calm and that $1,000 wall is up, most people kind of just freeze, but not us. Now we must aggressively expand upward. The cushion is there, the site is secure. Now it's time to build the framing of your new life. In 2026, the fastest way out of zero is absolutely not cutting your daily coffee budget, it's expanding your income using skills that didn't even exist as mainstream careers just a few years ago. Just think about AI-assisted content creation, prompt-based freelancing, automation consulting for small businesses, short-form video editing, or even virtual assistant work using AI tools to do the work of 3 people. These are super low cost to start, but they are incredibly high income ceiling paths. Adopting these modern skills is how you build framing, and build it fast.
And honestly, here is the best news. You do not need a 4-year degree for any of this. You just need exactly 30 focused days and a real willingness to feel like a beginner again. The basics for these incredibly powerful skills can be learned very quickly using entirely free resources on the internet. If you put in the focused time, the framing of your financial house goes up in a matter of weeks.
Which brings us to part 4, phase 3, the wealth engine, or the automated tower.
We're shifting our focus entirely now, from the active, sweaty work of building to the quiet, awe-inspiring power of passive compounding. Notice the clear contrast here. Income without a system versus automated investing. I've literally seen people triple their income and still end up completely broke because more money without a structural system just means more expensive problems. True wealth generation isn't just about earning more actively. It's about building an automated machine that tirelessly works in the background while you sleep.
Once your survival layer is built and your income is actively expanding, you make the most powerful move possible. You become boring on purpose. You automate a fixed amount, even if it's just $50 a month to start, into a broad market index fund, something that tracks the S&P 500 or a total market ETF. The real secret of generational wealth? It isn't genius stock picking or trying to time the market. It's the boring, consistent automation of funds working for you whether you remember it or not. That is the exact secret rich families have used for generations, and it is available to you right now for the cost of a few streaming subscriptions.
Finally, part 5, the blueprint completed, the finished skyscraper.
Let's step back for a second and look at the structure we've just erected, just so you have it totally locked in your mind. If you start this exact 3-phase reset today in exactly 12 months, you will not be the same person reading these blueprints out of desperation. You literally transform from vulnerable to structurally undeniably secure. Step 1, build the $1,000 wall first to stop the biological panic and secure the foundation. Step 2, spend 30 days becoming dangerous with a modern, high-income skill to expand your framing. And Step 3, automate your investing so the wealth engine builds itself while you live your life. That is exactly what happens when you stop trying to build a life on sand and start laying actual bricks.
As we roll these blueprints back up, I want to leave you with this final, absolutely crucial thought. You don't need permission to start over. You just need the blueprint. And now you have it. The site is cleared, the foundation is mapped, and the tools are right there in your hands. So, my question to you is, what brick are you going to lay today?